So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to add meeting notes to a document here on Google Docs. So if I just were to go ahead and type in meeting notes right here, nothing kind of comes up, but if you were to go ahead and delete this, for example, and you go to these four options right here, select on meeting notes and it's going to auto-populate. So if you were to go ahead and press meeting notes like this, you can then search your calendar. So once again, if I were to go back here, let's go back a couple times just like this. Press on meeting notes, it'll go ahead and show you the template here, so the date, the calendar, event, the attendees, etc. And then you can go ahead and add your meeting notes from a Google Meeting, for example, into your document here on Google Docs. Press meeting notes, find your calendar, and just sort of go from there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add meeting notes to a Google document here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.